everyone, and welcome to the Cleo
and Abby
show.
Woo!
And today we are going
to
have a picnic.
Whole Foods.
Whole Scare.
We have
Our
a
car.
car.
So we're gonna go to Whole Scare. We might even destroy it a third time.
Yeah.
So yeah, let's get in the car. Okay. So. Abby, you're gonna.
Oh my God! The seat fell off. The seat fell off.
Here we go. Okay. Whoa, wait, this car's getting a little out of hand. Abby, whoa, wait.
Stop it! Stop the car!
What's going on with this car? We just left. Oh.
Okay.
I hope it's not too broken.
Yes. I hope it's not you broken because of you. Let me check it.
Here, I'll lift it.
Hold on. Oh, the engine broke from down.
It broke? How are we supposed to get to Whole Scare?
Oh no, I think we need a new car.
A new car?
A new car! This
Wait,
is the
how do we
only
know?
car. The seats fell off.
How about we call someone first? How about we call Serena?
Yeah, Serena. Oopsie, I mean by the
No,
phone.
I mean on the phone.
No. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, it's me, Abby Abominable.
Oh,
We just
yeah.
got a car class or something, and
Yeah.
we want a new car.
A new car? Let me check your car first. I'll be right over. Hello.
How did you get here so fast?
I was in the area. Let me check. You girls hold up the car. Come on, Abby. Hurry.
Hurry! Oh!
Okay, yeah, okay, put it down.
Oh my God!
So, is it good? No, actually, unfortunately not.
Can the chairs be fixed?
It looks like the seats are broken. I mean, not the seats. Well, they're broken too. But the engine's also broken. You could fix it, but it would cost more money to fix it than to just buy a new car. So I suggest you get a new car. So, woo, bye. All right, Abby, you heard her. Let's go get a new car. Oh, good. Oh,
Wait, do you know any good places?
yep, there's one right down the block, actually. Bye. Good. Good thing we're close.
Okay.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Okay.
Oh, that was really fast.
Woo. It was right down the block. Here's the car.
Oh my God! The car store. So nice. Look how many pretty cars there are.
Yeah.
Wait a second. This car is amazing. Whoa! Where did the lights go?
The camera.
Sorry.
Wow.
Look at this car. It's snowy. It's perfect.
It's kind of small, Abby.
Look, it bursts. Woo!
Your leg is stuck.
Fine.
Here you go. Not this car.
Oh, hi. Didn't see you there.
Oh yeah, hi. I'm Treasure.
I'm
And,
Taylor.
Hi. So we have a car sale going on right now. Car
So-
sale. And there's actually, we have used cars and stuff. Okay. So
Yeah, but one of them.
can we try them out?
is-
Yes. You can try them out.
Try them out in college if
Okay.
you need anything.
I think I'm gonna try
I'll be
this.
sitting right on
This
top of
one
the
looks
car, so you already
nice.
tested it out. Oh my God! I see one.
What is it?
Just for me.
Are you sure?
Woo,
Let me try.
Ooh, Abby loves it!
Oh, Abby, you're on the camera. Now you're gonna break our camera too.
Sorry. Yeah, this car goes too fast.
Oh, whoa, ow.
I can't stop it.
This one's kind of
Get me out of here!
bumpy.
Get me out of here! Someone!
This one's kinda
Someone help
bumpy.
me! Oh my God! Okay.
Hello, help me. This car is too bumpy. Oh yeah, this car is made for sand only.
Yeah, because
So bumpy.
it's a
Oh,
beach
turn it
car.
off. Beep. Sorry. Definitely not this car.
Oh my
Oh,
God!
get that blue one over there. That blue one.
Which blue one?
This one.
You try it out.
Can you give it to me?
That one looks ugly. I don't like it.
Just Just let me try it, Abby.
Is that one for sale, Missy? Harmony. Is that one for
It's
sale?
too old and rusty.
Miss Harmony.
Yeah, not this one.
Harmony, is that car for sale?
Oh, this one? Oh, yeah, this is our new.
Oh yeah, this is our new car.
This one is for
Yeah.
sale. This one's actually really, really good in condition.
Oh my god, I'm testing this out.
Let's test it out, Abby. Let me come in.
Come too.
Oh, great.
Hey.
Okay. Oh, that's really good and smooth.
Wait, so let me see how much space there is on the back of the trunk. Let me get out.
Yeah.
Let's open
Turn
it.
the camera. Wow, there's actually a
So
lot
much
of space in there.
Oh my god.
I think we might actually get this. How much is it? $300. Okay. Here you go. Dude, we're rich. Okay, bye.
Thank you.
And come again.
Shopping.
Oh, and it has seats exactly for two, Abby. How convenient.
Yeah.
Let's get it.
Bring up. But Abby wants faster.
Okay. Hey, all right. Let's go home.
Woo, 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 woo. Everyone, we're going home from the Abby and Cleo show. Woo, woo. Come on, everyone. Go.
All right. Well, we're